What's up, guys? We end up installing the Vantrue camera. This one has for the front, for the inside the vehicle right here, and it also has for the rear. Okay, so this is the installation. This is an old vehicle. This is a Lincoln Navigator. It's kind of old, but they're already pinning. You know, he had an accident and they were pointing fingers. You know, so he wanted to make sure that the next one that he has proof of video of what happened, or any type of situation that you need video to show proof. It's a pretty decent camera for the price. It's got front and rear. It's got the screen here, and it also comes with the app and the phone. I'll show you guys how the app works. That's pretty much it, and then you can switch you know, like different views of the camera here. Recordings are down here. You can see the recordings. We already did the update because they had a firmware update that we had to do on the camera. These are the videos here. Basically, you have to be within the range of Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi to retrieve your videos. You can't be far away to try to look into your video. It has to be Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi. There are cameras in the market that you can the LTE, and you can buy the SIM card from either T-Mobile, AT&T, and then you can live view them. But you're going to be about $40 a month for the data plan. You know, it can be added to your existing cellular. But I mean, that's more like if the car's out on the road and whoever wants to log in and live view the vehicle. I don't see there is a need for it, but it will be more like for fleet vehicles and stuff like that. But for private use, in case of an accident, or you want to have a camera that you want to record while you're driving and stuff like that, and then this is fine. The back camera's installed in the back. You see it there. Okay, we ran all the wires. You never see any wire anywhere. Everything is hardwired. There's nothing goes into the cigarette lighter or nothing like that. So whoever's in Miami and wants to get this done, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, feel free to give us a call, and we'll come out and do the installation for you at your office or your home. Normally it takes about an hour. We do from any type of vehicle to exotic cars. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video. Okay, and by the way, this one didn't come with an SD card. So when you get ready to order your camera from whatever site you order, if it's through Amazon or wherever you're going to get it, make sure it comes with the SD card, or if it didn't, have it bought already, ready to go. You can roll with 64, or you can do 128, 256. But the higher the SD card, of course, the more weeks you can go without the video overlapping. I believe this thing has a geofence, so if you get into some type of accident, it stores that video so it doesn't overlap with another one. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.